In this video, I'll show you how to download EA Sports FC 26 on PC through Steam quickly and easily. The first thing you need to do is have Steam installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the official Steam website and sign into your account. Once you're in Steam, use the search bar to find EA Sports FC 26. When the game appears, open its official store page, where you can review all the information before installing it. If you don't own the game yet, you'll need to purchase it through the Steam store. Once it's added to your library, simply click the Install button and choose the folder where you want to install the game on your computer. The download will begin automatically, and Steam will install all the necessary game files. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take several minutes. Once the installation is complete, simply click play from your Steam library to launch EA Sports FC. And that's it. That's how easy it is to download and install EA Sports FC 26 on PC using Steam. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.